Welcome to Iloilo City of Love. Join me as we view the new Freedom Grandstand at the back of Iloilo City Hall, fronting the Iloilo River, the cleanest river in the world. Mwah! ILOILO City, the city of love. I'm now in front of Iloilo Freedom Grandstand, the new one, and also in front the Iloilo River. Here is the custom building. At the back is Iloilo Post Office, and Ilonggos can relax and sit down during their off time. The beautiful Iloilo. Not only the river, but also the buildings and of course the people. This is Iloilo. Time check, it's already 5:35 in the evening. No, in the afternoon. Pamunet?
Oo, ma'am.
Damo na bunet mo?
Ay, pagkisya.
Sige lang Damo na dugay-dugay
Yeah.
What a beautiful place to relax, especially to sit down. Now we are near and saka check naton kung ano kanami gid ang Iloilo Freedom Grandstand. Hi ga. That is my husband. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe have 10. Wow, what a beautiful view at the back. Namin sang view sa Iloilo tayo. Namin sang view sa Iloilo sa likod, oh. Wow. Pero ang aton star today is the Freedom Grandstand. Aray. Nasaka kita di. So, I am on the top. I am on the top of the grandstand. The grandstand is clean. Sorry if my camera is not very good, but I can show you how beautiful it is in Iloilo City. Wow! Wow! My husband will try to be the human drone, so we'll check how far will he capture. Wow, how beautiful! How beautiful it is here in Iloilo City of Love. Wow, sosyal ang grandstand. May security guard na nagalibot-libot. Shout out sa kay SG Jainel Adulacion, ang security guard sang new Freedom Grandstand nga tama kamapisan kag alerto sa tanan nga oras. Kag shout out man sa iya mga friend. Hello to all Ilonggos! Ari kami di sa Iloilo Freedom Grandstand! The new Freedom Grandstand! Welcome to Iloilo, the city of love nga gwapa-gwapa gidya. Ang mga progress ng Iloilo damo-damo gid, including this one! I'm proud to be Ilonggo! Hi! From the city of love, Iloilo, Philippines! A kiss from Iloilo City. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that every time I post the video, you will be notified. Borgos Vlog and Melody Vlog and John Lee Keliano Vlog and Pechenti Vlog, and to all the vloggers of Iloilo, hello! I love you, I love you, I love you. And to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you for always supporting me and always viewing my vlog always. Thank you. Watch out to my donors. Our next project will be on my next vlog. Shout out to Inday Arlene Cachuela in Saudi Arabia, to my cousin Langga in Mindanao, and to my friend in Qatar, Renato and Tiray. Talang sa inyo! Ilonggos are very talented people, and one of them is #IShout. I met him at New Freedom Grandstand this evening, and he's doing his TikTok. Kindly follow his page, #IShout. We are now going home. Evening time view. Daytime view. Tin gani di ang kameraman. Tin kamera tay. O sige, isa makis ito. May pangitang ko, ano yung pangitang ko?
Are.
O sige. Sige, dito lang to.